Okay. Just look.
What do you think, Miss P?
Good.
All right, hold on. Hold on, don't touch. Thank you.
The bar area is one of our favorite places in the entire restaurant. As you can see, there is a rain feature, so it's like you're sitting in the middle of a rainforest shower. And then throughout, there's usually also some fog that comes around and fills the bar, which is a really cool feature. I'm hoping that I'm here in the middle of one of the storms, which is really neat when that happens. You guys. As usual, there is a huge wait here tonight. When we got seated, it was a 3-hour wait, but since we are Landry members, we're able to be seated right away. We do really like sitting in the bar area since we're usually able to be seated right away. I love this fish feature that's here.
Guys, subscribe to my channel before we get started. We're at Rainforest Cafe. And I really want to show you around. So, let's go to... price, $7.99. Girl, stop. Look, some of them.
Hello, kids. My name is Tracy Tree. Everybody loves animals, from parrots to snakes, monkeys to tropical fish. They all live with me here in the rainforest.
I know, Poppets. Presley just looked at them.
These are our own boys. Oh, I'm too tired. I need to take a walk. Hey guys. I'm too tired. I just took a little break. Women's. Oh, it scared me.